Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the voice recorder and holding it up when you think the ghost will speak. Explain why. Holding the recorder gives the game context for capturing EVPs, increasing chance of a usable clip. Once done, call out clear, short phrases and questions. Ghosts respond to prompts. Make sure to mute other players' audio or move away so their voices don't overwrite recordings. You'll learn to recognize real responses versus ambient sounds by listening for distinct pauses before words. You keep probing with specific, short questions and record each pass to stack evidence. This matters because ghosts often respond only intermittently. Once done asking, pause and listen for half to 1 second of silence, then any subtle syllables. Those are candidate EVPs. Make sure to repeat recordings from different angles and distances. Ghosts can respond differently based on line of sight. You can also use light or EMF activity to provoke a reply, so coordinate actions to maximize triggers. You finish by stopping and saving each clip right after an interaction because unsaved captures may be lost. Explain why. Labeling by room and time helps later review and separates real EVPs from ambient noise. Once done, export or keep clips for team verification. If you hear nothing, first check your mic input, in-game voice recorder volume, and ambient noise filters. Adjust sensitivity and try again. A quick restart of the game or toggling voice settings often fixes persistent recording issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.